Have you ever wondered how some people seem to grow their wealth effortlessly while others struggle to get ahead? What if you could unlock the secrets to smart investing and start building your financial future today? One of the best ways to get rich, protect your financial future, and make your money grow over time is to invest. But it can be hard to get started with buying because there is so much information out there. You can invest in a lot of different things, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and cryptocurrency. Books, on the other hand, give you a structured way to learn by giving you advice from experts and great investors who have already been there. If you want to learn everything there is to know about business, read these books. You can start investing with these books, even if you have never done it before. They will help you build a strong base for your trip. These books cover a lot of ground to help you become a smarter, more knowledgeable investor. They cover everything from the basics of investing to learning complex strategies. Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham is widely thought to be one of the most important books on investing ever written. Anyone serious about investing should read it. The first edition of this book came out in 1949. It presents the idea of value investing, a way to invest that focuses on finding stocks that are undervalued but have strong fundamentals. Graham, who is known as the father of value investing, shows people how to look at businesses and markets and stresses the need for patience, discipline, and a long-term view. The book also offers ideas like Mr. Market, a character used as a metaphor for how unpredictable the stock market is. The idea of margin of safety is one of the most important things I learned from The Intelligent Investor. This means buying stocks at a price much lower than their true value to lower the risk of losing money. Many people find the book dense and hard to understand, but its timeless ideas have made it a classic in the world of investment. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Philip Fisher's Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits is not like Benjamin Graham's book because it is not about value trading. Fisher's book, which came out in 1958, is about the traits of companies that make them good long-term investments. He stresses how important it is to know about a company's leadership, its strengths, and its growth potential. Fisher is known for taking a close look at businesses. In this book, he shares his 15-point plan for checking out a business before investing in it. These include looking at a company's management quality and its ability to come up with new ideas and grow over the long term. Fisher typically puts his money into companies that are well-run, have unique business advantages, and can adjust to new market conditions. Looks at the more subjective parts of investing, like how well the company is run and how much it can grow. Burton Malkiel's A Random Walk Down Wall Street. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel is a great place to start if you want to learn about trading in a way that is easy to understand. This book, which came out in 1973, disagrees with the notion that individual investors can regularly beat the market by picking the right stocks or being right at the right time. Malkiel instead says the stock market acts like a random walk, which means that short-term stock prices are hard to predict, and it is hard for anyone to regularly do better than the market. Malkiel supports passive investment, which means buying low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that follow the market as a whole. He talks about how different types of assets, like stocks, bonds, and real estate, react to changes in the market and how to divide up your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Simple to read and understand for newbies, supports a low-cost, passive investing approach that keeps risks to a minimum and raises long-term returns to the highest level. John C. Bogle's The Little Book of Common Sense Investing. Many people say that John C. Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group, changed the way people invest by making low-cost index funds famous. Bogle says in his book, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, that most people would be better off putting their money into index funds instead of actively managing their money to try to beat the market. Bogle stresses how important it is to invest for the long run and keep costs low. He also talks about the risks of trying to time the market or buy hot stocks, which can cause bad investing choices and high costs. Bogle argues in this book for a straightforward, easy way to spend that focuses on spreading your money around, being patient, and being consistent. Gives a clear and easy way to invest for the long run. Talks about the benefits of low-cost index funds and how important it is to keep fees as low as possible. Gives timeless tips on how to build a diverse portfolio. This is a passive investment strategy for people who are just starting out or who want to make money over the long run. J.L. Collins's The Simple Path to Wealth. The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to become financially independent and retire early. FIRE. It's easy to read and understand how to get rich by investing in low-cost index funds. Collins talks about his own experience becoming financially independent by saving money and investing in the stock market. Collins talks about why it's important to aim for financial freedom and shows readers how to handle risk, cut costs, and stay away from common investment mistakes. He says that investors should stick to simple plans like low-cost index funds and resist the urge to look for high-risk, high-reward investments. It's easy for beginners to understand and focus on financial freedom and the FIRE movement. Implements a clear, doable plan for getting rich through low-cost purchases. People who are just starting out and want to become financially independent and quit early. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Danko looks at the habits and actions of rich people. From a study of self-made millionaires in the US, the book shows that most of them live below their means, invest carefully, and put long-term financial goals ahead of short-term temptations. This book is full of useful tips on how to get rich by saving money wisely and spending it wisely. It busts the myth that high pay and spending a lot of money will make you rich. Instead, it stresses the importance of good money habits, being frugal, and living within your means. It focuses on the actions and habits that help people get rich. Tells readers to put long-term financial goals ahead of getting something right away. Gives useful advice on how to handle money and put it to work for the future. People who are new to investing and want to learn how great investors think and act. These books are great for anyone who wants to learn more about business or get started. They have a lot of useful information that can help you make better choices. Each book gives you a different view on how to spend, get rich, and protect your financial future. They range from basic ideas to more advanced plans. Reading these books and putting what they teach you into practice will give you the skills and courage to handle investments and reach your financial goals. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on mastering your finances, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's continue this journey to financial success together.